Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So, ngayong araw, man, I know we are a bit late to party, no? Pero, medyo hindi naging maganda kasi yung pakiramdam ko kahapon, no? Kung kailan na dapat, mas, mas enjoyin ko yung pagre-react, no? Kasi alam namin, ang daming lapag ng SB19. And doon pa ako nagkaroon ng doon pa sumama yung pakiramdam ko, no? So, sensya na. But yeah, I mean, again, we are a bit late to the party, but dito na tayo, no? Today, mag-react tayo sa bagong music video ng SB19, sa music video ng Time, no? Isa sa kanta sa kanilang EP na Simula at Bukas, no? And I'm just excited. I am just excited. We have two music video na papanoorin ngayon. Pinili ko talagang unahin tong Time kasi sabi nyo, baka maiyak ako, no? So, unahin natin yung Time. At least, pag medyo, na-depress tayo. Na-depress tayo pagkatapos sa ating panoorin yung music video ng Time. At least, susunod natin yung Dun Ka, no? But yeah, without no further ado, let's get it.
Rotting in bed, numb and upset, the hands on a clock. I'm moving along and feels like I'm dead, but I'm here instead.
Artista to, diba? O kamukha lang. Nagkamukha siyang artista eh.
Rotting in bed, numb and upset, the hands on a clock. I'm moving along and feels like I'm dead, but I'm here instead. Please make it stop. I'm always wrong and stuck inside my never-ending thoughts.
Birthday.
I'm trying hard cause I don't want it cast. Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can control. I hope you know it's better to try. Cause one day we'll run out of. All of these are natural. No one's really in control.
So, nasa ibang bansa yung anak niya. So, kaya nag-celebrate ng birthday sa video call lang.
But we live a little cause we know when we vanish we don't really go. So I try to run an extra mile, hoping for a sign. If there isn't one, then I'm leaving mine. Never those behind, seeking you will find. There's no reason not to try. Watching everything from the backseat is beautiful, but at times it gets really ugly. You already know what to do when we got nothing to lose. What we're not changing with trust, fighting for whatever cause. If the light's dying, don't you ever cease to refuse. Stuck inside my never-ending thoughts. I'm trying hard cause I know what it costs. Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can control. I hope you know it's better to try. Cause one day we'll run out of time. Many things we can control. I hope you know it's better to try. Cause one day we'll run out of.
Alam mo sa itsura ng babae, no? Alam mo lang hindi ganun kasarap yung naluto niya.
Time, memories will leave them behind. Darling, when push comes to shove, your best is enough. It won't hurt to try. Cause one day we'll run out of time and time again. You raise things I don't understand. I'm drenched all over, still lying to all I can. I'm well aware there's no reason
Memories will leave them behind.
Oh yeah, I got confused, man. So, tapos ba natin?
Things we can control. And I hope you know it's better to try. One day we'll wanna die.
Oh shit.
Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can control. I hope you know it's better to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Darling, when push comes to shove, your best is enough. It won't hurt to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of
Run out of time. We run out of time. Salamat, Mike. Oo nga, nagpapay na. Come on, man. Right, well. Okay. So, ano ba yung babae? Sa ibang bansa ba siya? Or, like, just a different place? Working in a different, like, place here in the Philippines? Kasi nakapunta yung nanay niya eh. Doon sa bahay. Pero, again, na ano pa ako. So basically, yun na nga, di ba? Dahil yung una yung means, makaka-relate din dito yung mga OFW natin. I mean, marami tayong mga viewers na nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa, no? Buti nga ngayon, meron tayong like video call. Unlike before, no? Yung mga nanay, tatay natin, before nag-a-abroad na wala pang like, video call o mas nakaka-homesick yun. At least ngayon kahit paano meron ng nakikita sila sa video call, pero iba pa rin syempre yung kasama mo sila. Diba? Nagkatrabaho ka para sa kanila. Diba? Alam mo, nakakalungkot ba isipin na nagkatrabaho ka para sa kanila. Diba? Alam yung mga OFW, no? Yung dahilan kung bakit ka andun. Diba? Yun yung main reason. Tumatagal ka doon para sa kanila. Pero at the same time, isang kabait naman yung oras na nawawala na dapat kasama mo sila. Right? Napoprovide mo yung kailangan nila, pero yung oras na magkasama kayo is nawawala na. And yun na nga, no? Nakakalungkot na dito, lalo na yung pinakita na inaral nung anak kung paano lutuin yung paborito niyang niluluto ng nanay, yung natapos na niya. I mean, sobrang like, I think it's over fatigue, no? Sobrang pagod, nakakatrabaho. Yeah, I mean, pinaka mapupulot natin dito is cherish every moment, no, na kasama mo yung pamilya mo. Every time na may opportunity na makakasama mo sila, i-tawag dito. I-appreciate mo, no? And namnamin mo ng buo, no? At the same time, magtira ka para sa sarili mo. Di ba? Kasi aanahin natin yung nagtrabaho ka, pinagod mo yung sarili mo para sa kanila kung hindi mo rin sila makakasama. Di ba? Pero, grabe yun. Sobrang saktong-sakto yung music video para sa kanta, no? Amazing music video, amazing cinematography, no? Ganda ng pasok ng twist. Medyo na-confuse lang ako doon sa part na na nakarating yung nanay doon sa bahay ng babae. So I'm assuming na wala sa ibang bansa, I guess, na babae, o pumunta sa ibang bansa yung nanay, no? Pero yun nga, run out of time, no? So again, if may gusto kang gawin, again, pasabi nga sa kanta, kung may gusto kang gawin, no? Gawin mo na agad, di ba? Huwag ka nang magdalawang isip pa kung alam mo yun, di ba? Ang pinakamasamang pwedeng mangyari lang naman is, hindi mo siya makuha. Di ba? Pero ganoon din naman mangyayari kung hindi ka magtatry, di ba? Hindi mo rin siya makukuha yung gusto mong gawin, di ba? Same lang. No? At least nag-try ka, magkakaroon ng chance na pwede mong makuha yung goal mo o yung gusto mo o yung pangarap mo, sinalihan mo. Like what they did, di ba? What they did like SB19, di ba? Like Josh, nakita niya si si Stel na nag-perform and in-idolize niya, ano? Kung hindi pa siya nag-reach out, hindi pa siya, tinulak yung sarili niya para sumali, para sumayaw. Sa tingin nyo, may makikita natin si Josh ngayon, most probably, hindi, no? Most probably, kung uunahin lang ni Josh yung pangangailangan niya, di ba? Alam natin yung buhay ni Josh, di ba? Dati. Yung pangangailangan lang, tabi niya yung passion, hindi niya itutuloy kasi, again, pag nag-umpisa ka sa passion mo, wala ka naman talagang kikitain dyan sa totoo lang. Di ba? Bihirang-bihira. Pero yun nga, every time na i-cherish mo yung kasama yung pamilya mo, gawin mo yung kailangan mong gawin kasi may lang buhay natin. No? Your best is enough. Sabi nga ni Stel. But yeah, that is a fucking masterpiece song, no, with a masterpiece music video. That's napaka-perfect na, no? Napaka-perfect ng music video nito. But yeah, that's the reaction for today. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto nyo mag-react sa yung artist, singer, rapper, song. May comment down below. Mag-react tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next video. Stay awesome. Peace.